So today I'm at the Windmill Spain, which is not too far away from camp, so about 15-minute drive away, if that. This is a new urbanisation. I put the name of the village just above my head. So this is the show house. They've got some further units down there. This is phase one, guys. They're going to be building a lot. But the one we're looking at today is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom property with a pool. There's the pool. You've got the shower over there. We've got the staircase going up to the roof solarium. I'll take you that later. Now this unit here, at the moment it's been used as the office, but this would be off-road parking. This would be a garage or could be possibly be a workshop. There's a few more storage areas I've noticed dotted about. You've got a door. I'm gonna just take you in. Let's take you in. Okay. So we've gone straight into the lounge area. Remember I was talking about the intercom system? That's there as well. This gives you some ideas. Open plan. So you've got your lounge here. Now I've been told it's got Wi-Fi as well for the internet. So we're walking down to the dining room area. Now remember, you're looking out onto your pool. Now it comes with a fitted kitchen. Now it's possible, I wouldn't know by talking to the agent, but you could change the style maybe, I don't know. But it comes with a fitted kitchen. There's another view looking back. You've got an outside dining area there. What I'm doing first, I'm going to take you into one of the spare bedrooms or the guest bedroom. And they've all got toilets. So you've got an ensuite here. You've got your, oh yeah, one of those touch mirrors to put the light on. You've got a shower there. Good size. I'm coming straight into the bedroom. You see already it's got the shutters there built in already to give it that privacy, but also looking out at the view. The mountains in the distance. So that's one bedroom, one bathroom. We're going to go into the next 2 bedrooms. So I'm going to show you another guest bedroom. Here they've done 2 separate beds, but you can see already you could put another double bed in here if you wanted to. With another bathroom. Virtually the same really. Got a nice big walk-in shower here. So we come out of this bedroom. We then go into what I class as the master bedroom. So it's got its own door. You go in there, 2 more windows and blinds. You've got plenty of space here, guys, for cupboards, you know, on the back wardrobes. Nice big size here, I must say. And it got its own ensuite. Look, all of them really have a nice big bed, bathroom. And another big shower here. Pretty impressed with it all, to be honest. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go up onto the solarium. So we're going upstairs now. You got a nice big open space here, and you can see already you got all round, and I know straight away in the distance there's the Sierra Spooner. That's some big space, that. And you got like a pergola on top with a blind. Now I'm not too sure if this is an extra, but if it is, you do need it. And just over there is a town. Now I will, at the end of this video, put in the town as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So you're looking at a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom property. You're not very far away from the 2 main airports, which is Murcia International Airport and Alicante. Also the city of Murcia, so you've got all the big shops there. But also the beaches, which I'm just going to show you now. Look at that. Now we're still in April, temperatures today 23. You could have this beach for yourself, couldn't you? People here already. It's just like the summer, but we're in April. So, guys, please do not contact me. Please contact, I'll put a card there, but also below this video in the description, be the contact details. If you check out their website. Another thing I always suggest, guys, is that you please come out and check it for yourself, but not just the property, but the area it's in as well, so you're fully satisfied. But it is a lovely property. Anyway, as always, there's going to be another video coming very soon on properties. Have a lovely day.